What's up with it, good people? Joseph here. So today we are going to do our normal stuff. Paste art. Okay. And come to drawings, then pick canvas, then you see. Okay, this size 1000 by 1000, then you click here. Okay. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Then you flip. Oh, sorry, you just have to click this text sign here, then edit it. Okay, then you flip to this side, and where it says add photos, then I have a image I want to use, and it is this image. So I click add to add it. Then I'll resize it to how I want it. Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna use it this way. I'm gonna resize it. I don't know if it is this image because they look alike. I'm not sure it's this one. I'm going to delete it. Sorry. Where is the correct image? Right image. I know any of that will help, but I don't want to. Yeah, I think it's this one. I'm going to. Yeah, it's this one. So this is what we are going to do. Okay. I'm just going to size it like so. Oh boy. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to keep it like that. Yeah. And the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to bring in my image. Okay. My so these two guys. I'm going to delete this one. Another one. That's right. So put this man here, put this man also here. Okay, I'll bring this man back a bit. Okay, I wanna make them a bit bigger. So yep, and this is okay. So that okay, this is okay. Yeah, this is okay. So what next? We are going to do some stuff to it. So first we go to adjust, then we brighten it up a bit like so, then we add contrast to it. Okay, then we add a bit of clarity to it, then we desaturate it. Okay, bring the saturation down. Okay, then boost the shadows and then the highlights to just a bit. Okay, then reduce the temperature so that it will correspond to the background. Okay, so that yeah, so yeah, and it is responding to the background. It's okay. Then we move to our next model. Okay, let's apply that. Then let's go to our next model. Then we do the same thing to it, brighten it up a bit like so, give it some contrast, make it a little bit clear, desaturate it. Yep, nice too. Then boost the shadows. So then a bit of the highlights, and then we are on the same page. All right. So after that, then you come to this faster. You hit the eraser. I'm going to choose close, but it's not responding. So what I'm going to do is to paint it. So this is my brush. Yep, this is my brush. You select it and then you adjust it from there. Then I'm going to paint it. It's just a matter of you. It's just a matter of you painting around it. Okay. Oh boy, I think I went too far, but not to worry. I can restore it. That. All right. Yeah, I think this is okay. Hit. All right. So, oh, okay. Yep. So that's pretty much it. You see that there's a line here, right? Means this line will hide. This will hide. On the top, this above this line will come show. So if you want it to, if you don't want it to hide, just have to bring it up a bit like so, okay. See that there's a pink line showing that this is the borderline. It's as far as you go. Let him keep the watch. So yeah, I don't want to waste much of your time, so yeah, I'll just go inside my test and add up my test to it. Okay, so this is the final, this is what we want to achieve anyway. This is the final input or whatever outcome. Yeah, so this is what we are going to achieve. Okay, so keep it in mind. So yep, copy this one. Sorry, counter. Now hit here. Okay, put it a bit like so. Put it somewhere here. Change the font. I just have some recent ones I used, and it is this one, and I don't think that you have it unless you are on the premium version. Are you using the premium version? No, but you can't do something about it if you are using Android, unlike me using iOS. I think I'll make it a bit good. So, but don't squeeze type. Okay, I'm just screwing with stuff right now, but don't squeeze type because it will look like you are not a better graphic designer or something. So we are going to pick the color of the type from this man, and I feel like this man is too showing up too much. So what I'm going to do is to work on the temperature. Yeah, yes, okay, and this is okay by me. Okay, so let's select the color of the test from using the eye drop. Click inside the middle, then you drag it to where you want to sample the color from. Okay, let's zoom in a bit. Okay, maybe want something a bit lighter. Yeah, I think that's it. Yeah, so we have our first stuff, then we're going to add our shapes to it, but before then let's finish up with the test for now. Okay, let's finish up with the test for now. So I'd like to add the names of the ministers, but before that let me take you inside drawing and see. Let's apply it. Okay, let's locate draw. Sorry guys, I just woke up, so I'm not fully active. Just woke up from bed, so we are going to add our shapes to it. First, this is going to be our first shape. Then let's sample. Oh yeah, I just remember that I want to sample it from here. Guys, make sure that you every color that you use is from the ministers. Okay, so that it will look off the road. Okay, yeah, you are maintaining the same colors so that they will correspond to the design. Okay, you don't want to use color outside the yeah, you've done colors, so you know. You don't want to use colors outside the flyer project we are doing. Alright, oh boy, is this okay? I mean, it could be okay. It's just a tutorial, right? You don't have to get it perfect. So, oh, mistake. Let me create another layer and draw this stuff right here. Then put it somewhere here. Do I want it here? Hell yeah. But somewhere like so. Okay. Let me make it stroke too. Yeah. Position it a bit like so. So yeah, just play around with that, okay? And what else do I want? Yeah. So it's like there's brightening areas around the minister. So let's create a new layer. Then let's brush it. Okay, hit here and just click here again to adjust. Open adjust. Blah blah blah. Reduce the opacity of the brush. Increase the brush a bit. Reduce the hardness to 0. Then the next thing that you want to do is to change the color, to sample the color from the brightest part of the image of the background. Then let's see if, click on here again, click here again to see if opacity is not too much. If it's too much, just lower it. Then yeah, so let's brush. We're just brushing this part. Okay, let's brush it. This is what you should be doing if you designing a church poster, church flyer. I'm just applying them over here and here too. Okay, that it will be like they are part of the background. Okay, okay, so why don't we go inside this, by clicking on this buttons here, this will open. Then let's go out to blend, see something. Let's see what's happening here. Let's change the screen. Oh yeah, definitely that's working. So let's off it and see. Okay, then let's put it back, off it, put it back, off it, put it back. If you think it's too loud, just lower it. Okay, yeah, and this is good. I do this stuff all the time. I mean, I do it all the time. I hope you're learning something new here. So I think I'm pretty much done with this flyer. Yep, pretty much done with this flyer. Okay, so let's go to apply. Okay, so we're basically going to add our text to it, right? But before that, let's add our image, our logo to it. So where's the logo? The logo should be here somewhere. Okay. Of course. But can you see? Make sure that it is aligned with this. Okay, I don't want any contradictions. Let's make sure that it's aligned with this. Okay. Okay. If you want to achieve a good result, it is worth the time. Okay. Zoom it inside a bit, like so. Put it like so. Yep. And I can even make this be like. So sorry for that interruption. So let's make this. Let's change the blend mode of this to something like. Yeah, something like color burn, or no, but definitely not this. So you want it to look as if this is part of the background. Okay, like this. I don't know how to. Let's take multiply and see. Like it is part of the background. Let's say that way. So if I lower the opacity, you can see the lines of the text just inside it. Okay, but we need the logo alive. We don't want to kill it. So unlike if you take it normal, it will be like this. But if you multiply it, it will hide I think the white parts, right? Yep. And if you take it to screen, it will hide the dark part. But if you do make it multiply, it will hide the white part. So you should keep that in mind. Okay. Then let's bring in our next test inside of the data. After I encounter what? Okay. Oh boy. Yeah, that's the name of my ministry. Okay. My family members are so noisy. Yeah. So let's go ahead and change the font, shall we? So I do recommend choose something that will cause less problems. Okay, right. So we are almost done. Let's bring inside our church location. Okay, this is our church location. Okay, let's align it like so. Okay, zoom in, squeeze this, make it small, bring it in. I don't know if this is working for you, but it is for me. Okay, let's see if I can do something to it now. From here now. See from here. Okay. All Alright, so let's add our dates. Right. Okay. Squeeze it, then bring it in like so. Let's see if we can no. So now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to delete this. Oh, sorry. I'm going to cut this. Okay. It like so. Okay. Then I'm going to paste it. Oh, sorry. I have to copy that. Make a duplicate of it. Okay. Then I paste it. Okay. Inside this like so. Right. So let's go ahead and change the color. So I like to sample the color from the background, if that's okay by you. So you okay. Yeah, it's the same for that too. Color, select the eyedrop, then hit inside the middle of the eyedropper, of course. All right, Sunday. Yeah, seems that one is a bit off, so make it the same. We're good to go. So let's add in more. So since we learned our lesson, let's make it 1-1. Okay, whatever. Okay. Oh, that's huge. Okay, look like so. Okay, then I make a duplicate of that. But before that, let me get a color from it. And I'm going to hit on the eyedropper. Then I'm going to choose this color. Okay, I don't want to pick a color outside the design. Okay, then I'm going to make a duplicate of that. Then I'm going to double tap on it. Then I'm going to copy this and bring it inside this. Okay, that is pretty easy. Well. Yep. So guys, be sure to come to my services. Okay, my church service. We don't keep long. So let me write here Sunday service. Okay. All right. So let me paste it in. So I'm going to change the font. Okay. Something very simple like so. Okay. Squeeze it in. Okay. Zoom in. Make sure it fits inside. Then go ahead and play with this one. Okay. Enlarge it a bit. Bring it somewhere here. Change the color to white. Okay. Eyedropper. This. Hit inside the middle. Search for the color. Enlarge it a bit like so. Oh, this is my sister. My young sister makes loud noise, man. Okay. Oh boy. So that's okay. Why don't we bring in our dates too? So wait for the phone to unlock, then we are good to go. Okay. Why do I have a lock on my phone? Don't know. Okay. All right. So. Oh boy. So yeah. Okay. So I like the font. So what else can we do here? You tell me. It's left with the names, right? So we leave room for white space. Okay, you don't have to fill all the space. Okay, that's old school. Yeah, that's old school design. So today we are current, so we don't use that. You don't do that design anymore. Where you make sure that every space is filled. No, don't do that. Okay, we just want the design to be simple and unique. Okay, so this is the name of our minister. Okay. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay. Okay. Might want to change this to something. You got me. Okay. Ask him if he. Oh boy. make sure that this is well aligned with, you see, with the logo. Yep, we are dealing with some principles here, guys. So let's go ahead and copy that. Okay, zoom in, bring it. I don't have time to name them one by one, but oh boy. Yep, I'm going to bring it up here. Okay, I think they are comfortable with their names. Okay, so we are pretty much done with the design, but the next trick that I'm going to show you that will help you a lot is our add an image up to it. So let me add the same texture, paper texture. Okay, okay, I'll give this to you so you don't have to worry. Okay, I'll give it in the description below. Okay, maybe it will be on the Telegram page. So it fits perfectly well. So why don't we go to blend mode, see what multiply does. Oh wow, yeah, but you don't want multiply, right? Yeah, Calaben, there's something intimidating right here. So it means we don't have that uniformity. Okay, boy. Okay, why don't we stick to overlay or soft light? That's what I was looking for. So soft light will work perfectly for me. So I'll bring my eraser tool inside, then I will hit on erase. Yeah, let me hit on erase. Let me click on erase again, then reduce the hardness. Okay, then increase the size a bit like so. Then hit on the eraser tool again. Then I brush. I'm brushing on them so that they don't get affected by the texture. Yeah, okay. I'm brushing on them, but I'm not brushing it everywhere because I may need the lights. Okay, so yep, I hope you are enjoying this tutorial because I am. So the next thing I'm going to do is what am I going to do? I have to get a lens flare for my design. So I'm comfortable with that. I'm going to hit here. Okay, accept it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to bring inside my my flare. I have a flare from here. I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to bring inside this. Oop. Okay, so this is going to do the magic. Okay, let's increase the hue. Yep, boy. Let's increase the hue like so. Okay, like so. Then let's go ahead and lower the opacity like so. Yep, let's lower the opacity like so. Then let's make it light. We don't want to add, let's make it like a screen. See, yeah, I normally leave it as screen. Lower the opacity like so. Okay, to make the design more interesting. Let me say I apply it. Okay, so guys, I think this is the result. Let's take it to Lightroom. Okay, I'm going to, of course I'm on premium version, don't mind me guys. Okay, let's go ahead and take it to Lightroom. Okay, oh my boy, how are you? Okay, let's take it to Lightroom. Welcome to Lightroom. So although of course I'm on the premium version too. So let's go to light. Okay, let's boost the oh boy, contrast a bit. Yeah, contrast a bit. Okay, let's lower the highlights and let's lower the shadows and tap on the screen to see the before. Let's see the after. Before, leave it to see the after. Before, leave it to see the after. Okay, so let's go back to color. Okay, I'm not going to do much here. I'm just going to boost the vibrance, the color. Then I go to effect and add some textures to it. Oh god, I'm loving it. Okay, put some clarity to it. Okay, I'm going to do much. Let me go and sharpen the design a bit. Let me go and design this, sharpen the design a bit. Yeah, okay, then okay, so yeah, let's sharpen the design a bit. All right, so okay, so guys, I'm done. And if we tap on it, see the before and the after. Okay, let's save it.